Hi, I am Dragan Todorovic and I teach creative writing at the University of Kent in Canterbury and Paris. Welcome to the fourth episode of this small, humble series called Water into Wine, which is aiming really to make you start writing about yourself. Today we will be doing a speculative exercise. We haven't done any of those yet, and you will understand in a second what this means. You recognize this one, a £10 banknote. Basically, the less time you spend earning this amount, the better your life is. So this is how it works. This is a signifier. You work for about, let's say, an hour, and then for that hour you get this banknote. And that means that you have done some socially interesting, socially needed work, and now with that piece of paper you walk into a store and you say, I want my 6 breads and a bottle of milk. This is basically a promise. Each banknote is a promise. So you will see the value of the banknotes on each of them. You will see the face of the ruler, the current or the previous one, and you will see this. This is kind of a guarantee. I promise to pay the bearer of this banknote such and such thing. And on the opposite side, there's usually a face of somebody who is an inspirational figure. As I said in the beginning, this exercise is speculative. So this is the setting. A message arrives in the hands of a special envoy saying that you have inherited an island and now you need to start your own monarchy, as you do, because it's easier that way, obviously. So that happens, and then you need to print your own money. Question 1. How do you call that money? By your name, your parents, your grandparents, your pet, your lover, some strange noun, some branding perhaps there? That's one question. Second question is, if you would put your image on the banknote, and you would, obviously, would it be contemporary image, today, now? Would it be from a few years ago? From which period? And why? Then the next question is, obviously, who is the inspirational figure you would put on the other side? What is that name? Who is the person that you think represents your culture really well and would inspire the masses on your island? It would inspire the people that you would be ruling now to do ever better, to improve themselves. And finally, this is very important. You know how it says on every banknote there is a guarantee? How it says the central bank guarantees to the bearer of this banknote to be paid and then something. So what is your central bank guaranteeing to the bearer of your money? How would you cover your money? What is the guarantee? What stands behind it? Not gold, obviously, because you don't have it. Love, hugs, kisses, bottle of wine, a wonderful evening of reading by the fireplace with the bottle of wine, a trip to some wonderful place, or something else. What is your money signifying? As usual, 800 words. That's approximately 2 pages of computer formatted text. So font 12 double-spaced, approximately 2 pages. You have, as usual, 3 days for this. Let's try this. Happy writing!